UCSD Health received criticism from the Chicano Federation for hoping to get 1,600 volunteers for a Phase 3 COVID-19 experimental trial, focusing mostly on communities of color most impacted by the coronavirus.
But as ABC 10 News reporter Mimi Okala explains, UCSD and the Chicano Federation came together this afternoon to talk about solutions both can agree on.
We did have some concerns.
For the second time now, UCSD Health is participating in a nationwide COVID-19 vaccine trial. Starting next week, they're hoping to enroll about 1,600 volunteers to test AstraZeneca's vaccine as part of the Phase 3 clinical trial. But the Chicano Federation wasn't too happy to hear that UCSD plans to focus mostly on communities hit hard by COVID-19, like the South Bay, saying it's unfair that those who have the least access to information are being targeted to participate in an experimental vaccine.
Part of the confusion is that there are multiple clinical trials happening at the same time.
After hearing about the Chicano Federation's concerns, UCSD met with them Friday afternoon to have a conversation and clear up any misconceptions to come up with solutions both can agree on.
We are going to be working with them in making sure that our community receives the education around these clinical trials.
Nancy Maldonado is the president of the Chicano Federation. She says UCSD made it clear participation is completely voluntary and there will be community outreach to make sure volunteers have all of the information they need to make an informed decision.
When outreach is done in a way that is respectful of the community, that's different.
Consent forms are available in both English and Spanish. The current plan is to use this bus as a mobile vaccine clinic. It'll head to the communities involved in the trial in an effort to make access to the clinic easier for volunteers.
People would only be directed to the bus after they have agreed to participate and have been fully informed and have, voluntarily signed in to participate.
Mimi Okala, ABC 10 News.
Maldonado says the Chicano Federation will continue to work with UCSD on community outreach, making sure everyone who signs up to take part in that vaccine trial is fully informed. The trial is expected to begin on September 8th.